Unraveling Disband, a guide to understanding its meaning. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll dive into a fascinating English term, disband. This word is not only interesting but also very useful in various contexts. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Disband refers to the act of formally ending a group or organization. It's used when a group, especially an organized one like a team, a band, or a committee, decides to permanently separate and stop functioning as a unit. It's important to note that disband implies an official or formal end to a group's existence. The word disband comes from the French word desbander, which was used in the context of military troops. It meant to dismiss soldiers from a formation. Over time, the term evolved in English to mean the breaking up of any organized group, not just military units. To better understand how to use disband, let's look at some examples. 1. After 10 years of playing together, the jazz band decided to disband. 2. The committee was disbanded after it achieved its objectives. 3. Due to financial difficulties, the organization had no choice but to disband. Notice how in each of these sentences, disband signifies a clear and definitive end to a group. Synonyms for disband include dissolve, break up, disperse, and antonyms might be form, assemble, convene. These words can be used in different contexts to convey a similar or opposite meaning. Thanks for watching. Today, we unraveled the meaning of disband and how it's used in different contexts. We hope this has been enlightening and will help you in your English language journey. Stay curious and keep exploring the depths of the English language with us. End with a friendly reminder to like, subscribe, and share for more content.